can stitch a chain stitch on a cover stitch machine? Hi, I'm Angela Wolf. Today I want to show you how to set up a chain stitch on your cover stitch machine. For the chain stitch, we're only going to need the center needle and the looper. We're going to get rid of these two pieces for the top cover stitch. I turned my wheel so my lines matched up, which you'll see on the side. Take this off and take this off. The next thing we're going to do is remove the left needle and remove the right needle. So we're just leaving in the center needle. Make sure it's nice and tight. Start threading the looper. Take this up around number 1 and 2, back down around this clip here, and then down. Open the cover. You can follow along with the chart. Pop that back into place. Take the middle thread, go up around 1 and 2, back down. The thread will clip right into here, down through the tension, and then over. Just follow the green lines here. Thread will clip right behind here and then go behind this metal bar, down through, and then thread the needle. It's always a good idea to test your stitch before you start sewing on your garment or your project. So just put your presser foot down. I'm using 2 different colors just so you can see what's going on here, but there's a nice straight stitch on this side, and then on the back, you can see it looks like a chain. And with the chain stitch, when you're ready to finish your stitch, just stitch right off the fabric. Chain off, cut your thread, the stitch is also very easy to rip out. All you have to do is clip into your stitches and you'll find the bottom thread, which is the chain, and that's how simple it is to sew a chain stitch. Again, I'm Angela Wolf. For more sewing tips and tutorials, be sure to visit angelawolf.com and brothersews.com. Until next time, happy sewing!